Hi guys, welcome back. Cryptocurrency market. You're looking at the Bitcoin Cash. As you know, I'm a big fan of the technical picture of the Bitcoin Cash. I think it holds a lot of potential, especially because it trades within a pretty well-defined symmetric setup that can give us the guidelines with regards to where to enter, but even more importantly, where to exit. Now, here's the situation. We just came from the very bottom spot possible, from the 426.4. That's the bottom key level. We saw how price has had trouble previously to break that level. From a weekly perspective, by the way, just left a bit of a spike here, so it was unable to close below that level. Then came an upside move, followed by a pretty strong and intense downside correction, which is exactly what I think it was. This particular move, I think it was correcting the previous upside segment. So now that we see price starting to turn around, the potential is quite enormous because we can move in a few days all the way up, back up to the higher section again, right? Starting with a level of 615. But here's the problem. Price was very swiftly, was actually trying to do that about a week ago. And it was a colossal failure. Take a look at that spike here. So for a few hours within that day, price was going up really strongly and was just touching base on that 515. Obviously, very strong resistance, was unable to break through, actually just completely bounced off and closed well below. Then came a downside move of a couple of days, and we might be looking at that couple of days going downwards, I think what it was a technical correction, a local one, right? A local technical correction of the previous opposite, upside move, that small upside move all the way to 515. So I think it was just a correction, and we might be looking at price going back again on the upside. So what I would like to see here is some sustainability. I want to see price continues on the way up, push through 480, price tag 480, move into the range of 500. That will give me a lot of confidence with regards to a second attempt, right? I'm trying to figure out whether we're going to have a second attempt on that 515 or whether price will completely collapse and break below 426. Obviously, that's not going to be good, but we're still kind of in a twilight zone at the moment. So I want to see some resilience on the upside, then I will basically re-increase my holdings. I have small holdings at this point, but I think it's pretty promising on the upside. We should definitely come back and follow up on this, and that's what we'll do. Alright, so there you go. Bullish outlook on the Bitcoin Cash for now. See you in the next video.